Hi, this is Aisha. Let's continue chapter number 6, ICT applications. We have already discussed about communication applications, data handling applications and measurement application. In this video, we will discuss about microprocessors in control application and modeling application. Let's start with microprocessor in control applications. Computer control is about the applications where the computer is not only taking measurement but will allow to make decisions and take actions accordingly. Basically, there are two types of applications. One is monitoring application and second one is control application. In monitoring application, they are not taking any action. They are just giving you the information to do any necessary action based on the requirement. Okay, but in control application, they made the decision and take actions accordingly. For example, in central heating system, if the level is low, they will automatically turn on to increase the temperature, okay, or decrease the temperature, to turn on or off the heater. Okay, so this is control application. They are automatically controlling that. In monitoring application, for example, patient monitoring, they will just give you the signal about the heart rate, about the blood pressure, but you have to do the necessary action. They are not controlling itself. So this is the difference between control application and monitoring application. Control application use preset value to determine when something should happen. Preset value, for example, in greenhouse effect, the temperature is set to 26. So this is the preset value. If it is below than that, it will turn on. If it is higher than that, it will turn off. So to keep it constant, you need a preset value. So what are the advantages of using microprocessor in control application? Computer itself is controlling, so no need to apply the people. It can control applications all the day. It can work in dangerous conditions also. It can give accurate response and will process data very quickly as compared to human being. First is turtle graphics. In computer language, logo, a cursor called a turtle, can be controlled by using simple commands. Using the combination of these commands, you can draw many different shapes. Okay, I will just show you the example of the basic shape, but you can draw many different shapes by using these commands. These are the commands, and what are the description of that? Let me explain. For example, pen down means you are going to start that. Lower the pen to draw a line. Pen up, lift up the pen means not to draw any line. Forward N, move the turtle or move the cursor forward steps. How many steps? Let's suppose 50 steps, 40 steps, 60 steps. Similarly, backward N, N here represents the number of steps. Move the turtle backward, N steps. Just example, backward 40. Left N, N is degree here. Okay, 90 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree angle. So turn left side or turn right side. Again N is degree here. Repeat N, N is the number of commands, it is being repeated. If one command is repeated 5 times, 6 times, no need to rewrite it 6 times. Just use this command, it will automatically repeat that commands. Let's show you some examples. For example, this is that picture. We want to draw it by using the turtle graphics command. These are the commands. Look here, forward 60, pen down, initially down the pen to start the level here. Forward 60 mean moves the cursor forward at the 60 steps. Then right 90, turn the angle at the right side. Okay, then move forward 60 step, right 90, forward 30. Let me show you this video to explain this. Let me show you the working of this turtle graphic. For example, the first command is forward 60. So there are two ways to check that. Even you can write here forward 60, or another way is you can just do here 60, and this is for the forward, this is for the backward, this is the left angle, this is the right angle. So forward 60, click here, forward 60. Next command is right 90. Do the angle 90, this is your right angle, turn to 90 degree, right side. Then again forward 60. 60 already mentioned here, click on the forward button, 60 steps forward. Again right 90. 90 is already here, so click on the right angle, turned on the right side. Next command is forward 30. So change here 30 and click on the forward button, forward 30 only. Look here, automatically it is write the coding over here. Okay, forward 30, again right 90, 90, click here, turned at the right side. Then forward 30, left 90, 30 is already here, just click on the forward, and 90 left. Now click on the left, rotate left. This is rotated at the left side. Next is forward 30 and right 90, 30 forward and right 90, right angle. Look at the command, right 90. At the end, forward 30, 30 forward. This is the same picture as over here, like this. Okay, you can see the animation by doing this. First of all, you need to load the program by double clicking, and then you can see the animation over here. This is how Turtle Graphics moves. This is another example of Turtle Graphics by using the repeat command. Right now here, pen down means start over here, left 90, turn at your 90 degree, turn 90 degree at your left side. After that, here it is written repeat 8, forward 60, right 45, and repeat. It means the command which are between the repeat and repeat should be execute 8 times. The commands or multiple commands which can be between the repeat and repeat, it should be repeated this number of times. Now how it will work? You will start over here, you have turned at the 90 degree, mean you have to move at this side. Look here, now it said repeat 8 times. What to repeat? Forward 60 means forward 60, and turn at the 45, right 45, right 45. Now how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You need it 8 times. So instead of writing it 8 times, you just write repeat 8, single command, forward 60 and right 45, and repeat. So it will automatically draw this shape. Okay, next, microprocessor and control application, how automatic washing machines works, or what is the purpose of microprocessor in that. So what can be the input in automatic washing machine? User will set the temperature, water level, speed, and the timings. So what is the purpose of what is the process here? Microprocessor will process according to the given instruction. Based on the requirement, turn on or off the heater, water valve, and the other things also. What will be the output over here? Buzzer or the display will be the output over here. Here in automatic washing machines, inputs can be user push buttons, water temperature, drum speed, water level sensors, door close switch. So microprocessor or controller will do all this, process all this, and then what can be the outputs? Drum motor, water heater, water pump, water valves, user display, door release. Okay, so this is how automatic washing machine works, and what is the purpose of microprocessor? To control all these things: temperature, water level, speed, and timings. How automatic cooker works means what is the purpose of microprocessor in automatic cooker? Here input can be user will set the temperature and the timings. What is the process? Microprocessor will process according to the given instruction. Based on the requirement, turn on or off the heater and check the timer. What can be the output? Buzzer or the display can be output. This is the flow chart, just showing how automatic cooker work. For example, user inputs the desired temperature and the cooking time. Read the temperature from the sensor. Is the desired temperature is greater? If yes, then go back again, check again. Okay. If no, means desired temperature is not greater, then set the timer to 0, because you have to check the timing and the temperature as well. Set the timer to 0, wait for 1 minute, add 1 to timer. For example, you have set the time 5 minutes, 1 minute after that, is the timer is equal to desired cooking time, mean 1 is equal to 5? No, again do that, again 1 minute, 1 more minute. So till it will be equal, mean 5 minutes have been passed, 5 is equal to 5. If yes, means you have done your cooking, your timer is over now. So turn off the heater and set the buzzer. Then this is that process. This is how automatic cooker works. And what is the purpose of microprocessor? To control the timing and the temperature. Next is central heating and AC controllers. You need to consider these factors while you are using central heating or AC controllers. What inputs are needed? For example, required temperature and the timing. The desired outcome, heating or the cooling of the room. The item under control, boiler or air conditioner. Normal operation, reads and compare the time set, reads and compare the temperature set. Okay, these are the normal operations. Measurement interval, it has to measure continuously or after 5 minutes or after half an hour, so you have to decide about that. Then error conditions, it gives error message if anything is malfunctioning. Let's suppose compressor is not working or boiler is not working. If anything is malfunctioning, it will give you the error. So you have to decide, you have to consider all these factors for central heating and AC controllers. Next, computer controlled greenhouse. Here you have sensors, processing will be done and some output will be. What is the sensor? Light sensor can be used here, heat sensor can be used, humidity sensor can be used. Light sensor to check the level of light, heat sensor to check the temperature, humidity sensor to check the level of humidity in the air. After getting the values, sensor will send the data to the processor by converting through analog to digital converter, ADC, analog to digital converter. Here it will send to computer or the processor, then it will compare the data with the preset value. Preset value, let's suppose temperature must be 13 over here, so preset value is 13 here. Just an example, it's not necessary that 30, just an example. So if it is set to 13, then it will compare either it is lower than 13 or higher than 13, okay, and if it is less or greater than 13, then you have to do any necessary action. Then microprocessor will convert these values by using digital to analog converter. So based on the requirement and based on the comparison of this value, it will take decision. What type of decision? Either to turn on or off the sprinkler, either to turn on or off the output this vent, either to turn on or off the heater, either to turn on or off the light. So based on this value, after comparison, it will take actions and it will do it automatically. This is how it is being controlled by the microprocessor. Next is burglar alarm systems. Here infrared sensor detects the movement. Infrared sensor detects the movement. Value is sent to the computer after converting to ADC. These are the main steps. First of all, sensor will take the readings, then it will send by converting through the ADC to the microprocessor of the computer. Computer will compare the values with the pre-recorded values. After comparison, it will take action or make decision based on the comparison. Okay. So how the alarm system works? Infrared sensor detects the movement. Value is sent to the computer after converting through ADC. Value is compared with the preset value. This is the processing. Computer makes a decision based on the comparison. If value does not match, mean it is lower than or higher than that preset value, alarm will activate it. It will just sound the alarm. Okay. That was all for microprocessor in control applications. So the steps are same, but the type of sensor will be changed and what can be the pre-recorded values and what will be the output. Okay, but the basic process is same in all that. Next is modeling application. Computer modeling use mathematical formula to describe something. Okay, the formula used to analyze or predict the behavior. There are two obvious reasons for modeling: to test the situation without endangering anybody. For example, flight simulation means you are not giving to just go and take the flight. First you will do by using the flight simulation. Okay. Then to test the feasibility. For example, creating bridges, first you will test the feasibility that by applying this angle it will be okay. Okay, for to test the feasibility or to test the situation without endangering anybody. So what are the advantages of using modeling application? These are cheaper, safer, time saving and great range of situation. Okay. What are the disadvantages? Different from the reality. For example, flight simulation, we can take the example. If you are doing flight simulation on the computer, that is different. If you are flying, that is also different, but you will learn something. Okay. Initially expensive and there can be the programming errors. For personal finance, spreadsheet models can be used to predict finance type outcomes based on mathematical values. Okay, for personal finance based on mathematical values, spreadsheet models can be used. Predictions can show you profit loss, over budget, within budget, and answer to what if questions. If you can see this example, here formula is applied over here. If the value is greater than this, mean if C2, if this value is greater than this, it means you are over budget. If not, it means you are within the budget. Okay, so it will automatically, you will just write the formula, it will automatically show you the status. Spreadsheet can help to manage decisions and predicting risks by applying different formulas. So you can apply different formulas, you can see by comparing, compare the charts. Okay, different types of charts are available, different types of formulas are available, so it can give you the clear view so that you can take any decision. That is all. Topic number 6.4 and 6.5 is over. In the next video we will cover the next topic for this chapter, chapter number 6. Thank you very much for listening.